But first, let's take a look at the weather. Bobeth Yates is in the Weather Center for us this morning. Good morning, Bobeth.
And you caught me stretching. It's such an amazing morning.
Go ahead, stretch, get all the kinks out. We got a beautiful day ahead.
Well, this is a look this morning when the sun was coming up right over the sunrise of Georgia, Gas South area in Gwinnett County. It was amazing sunrise, and in fact, it's going to be an amazing day. We're starting off a little bit cooler temperatures into the 40s. We got a 48 for LaGrange, Peachtree City, also in Jonesboro and Conyers, just about that 48-degree mark. But things are going to be cooling up or increasing as we go through the day, only tapping out about a 69 for Marietta, about a 67 for Canton. Metro Atlanta, though, into the 70-degree mark, and we're getting it an 11 on the wazometer. Sunny sky conditions for most of the day, and again hovering around the 70-degree mark for the high, lows just about 42 degrees. Looking at the radar, not much activity going on for our area. We do have a system starting to make its way towards us, but as that system goes, it's going to be a good day for us because we won't have to experience much of it until either tomorrow or later this evening. Much of the day, though, sunny sky conditions. We will start to see clouds building in the area, but there is a high fire danger because of that low relative humidity and the increased dry air. We're definitely going to see some fire danger lasting until 4. Then rain chances come back from Monday, and I have your full forecast about that coming up in just a few. And it's going to be a nice day today. We're starting off a little cooler. Temperatures already warming up into the 50s for Atlanta and much of the area. As we go throughout the day, we're going to be tapping out close to that 70-degree mark. We're giving it a perfect 11 on the wazometer. Sunny sky conditions for most of the day, but the rain chances are coming back. We're going to see clouds starting to build overnight. And look, by tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock, those rain chances will start popping up, and I'll have your full forecast coming up in just a few.
The weather couldn't be any more different than it was yesterday. I mean, we saw storms, tornadoes, wind, and today it is nearly a perfect day, Bobeth.
We're giving it a perfect 11 on the wazometer, in fact, because of how amazing today is going to be. Just mild temperatures, sunny sky conditions, and those winds that you mentioned have died down. Looking at our futurecast, you can see we're not going to see much activity going into the area for much of the day as we're going through, but we have those rain chances continuing to come back through the area, and that's going to continue through Monday. But before that, let's talk about what we will be seeing today. We're going to start off with definitely the day part of today. We're seeing temperatures starting off a little bit cooler, but by noon we're going to make it up to about the 60-degree mark. Again, sunny sky conditions for most of the day. Winds about 5 to 15 miles an hour by 4 o'clock, making it up to about 70. We're going to start to see the clouds starting to build as we go through those evening hours before temperatures start to drop back down. But looking at our weather headlines, again, today's a perfect Sunday. So if you have something to do outside, outdoors, today's the day to do it. Be careful, though, because there is a high fire danger. Because of the low relative humidity and drier air, there's going to be an increased chances of fires for much of north and central Georgia. That's going to last until 4 o'clock. And as I mentioned earlier, the rain chances coming back to the area. If we're looking at it right now, by clouds starting to build in the afternoon, but look what happens by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Then we're going to start to see those clouds come in, and then what happens by around 10 o'clock, much of Metro Atlanta from Athens to Rome, all inundated with storms. Good news is this is not going to be a severe weather situation, just mostly rain that's going to linger out throughout the day. Now, if you want to go to your bus forecast tomorrow morning, you're going to have the umbrella and the raincoat ready for the kiddos. Look at this. By 7 o'clock, we're going to start to see the rain coming in again, and then it's going to gradually increase as we go out throughout the day, tapping out to just about 62 degrees for the high tomorrow, and then checking those rain chances. Look, we're going to get close to the 70% mark for rain chances. So again, most of the rain happening gradually, lighter rain as we go through midday hours. We're going to see it increasing, starting to leave the area just about the 4:30 hour. Looking at our 7-day, again, today is the best day to be out and about. 11 on the wazometer, sunny sky conditions. Those rain chances come back tomorrow for the day part. After 4 o'clock, 4:30 hour, we're going to start to see them taper off just a little bit, drying out Perfect timing for Tuesday with very warm temperatures. We're going to start to see our temperatures increase close to that 80-degree mark. But look what happens on Wednesday. The rain chances come back, and we're going to see those rain chances continue throughout the rest of the week into the weekend. And temperatures are going to be hanging around into the upper 70s, even making it to about the 83 mark on Wednesday before we start coming back down for the weekend. Sending it back to you, Christy. Live look right now just by the King and Queen building. Just look at this nice sky conditions, and this is why we're giving today a perfect 11 on the whizometer. Yes, those mild temperatures, the winds have died down, and the sunny sky conditions making it the 11. Now, even though we started off a little bit cooler, we are going to make it into the upper 60s, low 70s. We got a 73 for LaGrange, Peachtree City, Jonesboro, Conyers, also Covington about 73. A little bit cooler for Atlanta, about 70 for us tapping out in the metro Atlanta area. Marietta 71, Alpharetta 71, also Duluth is going to be around 71. So really nice day today to be outside to do outdoor activities. If you look at the radar, not much in our area. There is a system into the west from Louisiana making its way in, but good luck for us is that we don't have to worry about it until tomorrow. So today, if you want to get outside, do some outdoor activity, it's the day to do it. Not much on the radar. Looking at the weather headlines, even though clouds will build later this evening, today is a nice day on tap. There is an increased fire danger just because of the low relative humidity. The drier air just makes it easier for things to spark. And as I mentioned, those rain chances are going to start coming back. Now we're going to see, looking at the radar, those clouds start to build in. But as we get to tomorrow morning around 7:30, you can see from Douglas County all the way into metro Atlanta, we'll be experiencing some rain, even parts of Cobb. By 9-10 o'clock, we're doing much of metro Atlanta, and then the entire north side of town definitely going to have rain. And I'll have your full forecast coming up in just a few. It's nice for me for my drink. I'm a Taurus, so we'll see. We'll see. I have to go check it out. But today is a perfect day. A perfect 11 is what we're giving it from the whizometer. Mild temperatures. We started off fairly cool, but warming up into much of the 70s for the area. Already starting to warm up close to noon. We're going to be around the 60-degree mark. Sunny sky conditions. Winds in the area about 5 to 15 miles an hour. At times maybe gusting up to 20 as we go throughout the day. By 4 o'clock, making it all the way up to the 70-degree mark. So it's going to feel really nice and warm. And temperatures is going to just continue to just feel really good today. Now, the weather headline is, again, today is the day to do something outdoors. If you're planning on it, you need to get something done. Don't wait till during the week because it will possibly be rainy this week. You want to get it done today because today is the nice day. We do have an increased fire hazard, though, because of the low relative humidity, the drier air. Things are just easier to spark. And I mentioned rain chances increasing. They're coming back on Monday. So we are definitely going to see some of those rain chances increase as we go throughout the day. Now, this is the system that will be impacting us on Monday. Good news is it's not here yet. Taking a look at our side right now, if you go into the radar, not much activity on the radar. In fact, very few clouds. Those clouds will continually try to build as we go through the day. And if we track those clouds, look at by 11 o'clock tonight, that's where we're going to see those cloud covers start rolling in, and into the overnight hours into Monday morning, we're starting to see those rain chances increase. By 7:30, much of metro Atlanta, even West Cobb County, also Douglas, all are going to be starting to see those rains. Those rain chances will continue to increase throughout the day. Look at this, by 10:30, from Athens all the way over to Rome, much of the area will be inundated with some rain. The good news is this will not include severe weather. Just looks like more of a rain event and annoyance for most of the day because those rain chances will continue throughout the day. For your school bus forecast, you definitely want to have the umbrella and the raincoat handy because by 7 o'clock, again, that rain is going to start to come in. Temperatures will only be at about 54 degrees. By 11, heavier rain continues to progress and temperatures only increasing slightly by 3 o'clock to just about 62 degrees. Now, looking at the precipitation mark, we're going to get close to 70 degrees by midday. And again, most of the day, we're going to have these rain chances continue from morning hours all the way down to just about 30% as we go after the 8 o'clock hours. Looking at our 7-day today again is the best day to be out and about. We're going to have sunny conditions for most of the day, giving it a perfect 11 on the wazometer. Tomorrow, those rain chances come back, dries out for Tuesday, but look what happens on Wednesday. Temperatures gradually start to increase, but so does the rain chances. Rain chances will continue throughout the weekend, all the way into the weekend. Temperatures capping out on Wednesday at 83 and then slowly starting to trickle back down into the 60s by the weekend. Sending it back to you.